Hello, this is my video tutorial on how you can edit your profile. So first thing you have to do is go to the top right corner where your name is, and you have to go to Preferences. There you go to Edit Profile, click on it, and here is your profile. You can change your information, so your first name, surname, email address. You can add town and country you're from, your time zone, and so on. For example, I will change my time zone now because I've been having trouble with deciding when I have to join our live session. So here I am, Europe, Zagreb. Then you can also delete your picture and add a new picture to your profile. I'm going to choose my file from Pictures Library. I'm going to choose one sample picture, for example, these lovely tulips. Open it and upload the file. If you are happy with your changes, you then update your profile. I don't know what's going on. My computer is a bit slow, or my connection is a bit slow. Anyway, once you've done that, you can go back to the top right corner and look at your badges here. And I've got some badges from the last year's EVO courses and also from student collaboration from this year's EVO course. You can download them if you need them and things like that. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention.